What else could I do?
I just feel stuck.
I don't understand why you're pushing yourself so hard.
You finished uni, you have an amazing portfolio. All you can do now is just wait for a response on your application.
This recruiter is supposed to call you, right?
Yeah. Next week or the week after. Or never.
That actually reminds me, I need to
Set a special ringtone for the recruiter.
Wow. Serious stuff, all right?
Good morning. We're wondering if we can talk to you about the New World Translation.
I'm going to stop you there. Okay? I'm going to say this as politely as I can.
Just 2 seconds, please.
Fuck.
Off. This is the third time you guys have been to my house. I don't want to see your face anymore.
Please, just...
I don't want to see your faces anymore. Okay, I'm going to close my eyes. I'm going to count to 3. When I open them, you two are going to be gone, okay? 3, 2, 1. It's a miracle. Right, yeah, sorry, what was I saying? Oh yeah, look, I mean this with all due respect. I don't think you understand. Like architecture, there's 1 billion people and there's 0 jobs, and I don't know, if I don't get this, like, this could be my only chance, you know what I mean?
I'm sure that's not true. I mean, whatever is meant for you will come in time. You just need to be a bit patient. And I need to go, but if you need anything else, just text me.
Where are you off to?
I need to get lost.
Just out of curiosity, why do you go? Like, does it really matter if you go or not?
I'd like to think that it does. I don't think I have anything to lose by doing my prayers, and it also just brings me peace. Maybe you would benefit from trying, considering that you're quite stressed.
I don't know, I just never thought about it.
I don't mind either way, just something to think about. Good luck, Mo.
Good evening.
Hello.
I see you're admiring God's design.
I've always been into Italian art architecture.
I see. Have you been here before?
I do live in the area. I've never found the time to come here before. So.
Well, you're always welcome. I am, however, getting ready to close up soon, so maybe you should take this. You might find it helpful.
Thanks. Why?
Well, you look like you have a lot on your mind, and God did send me here to help those in need.
Dear neighbour, I hope this letter finds you well. I understand you're going through difficult times. What if I told you the answers to your doubts are within reach? Join the Church of Jehovah's Witnesses. Yeah. Hi, Lilia. Yeah. Hey. Yeah. You're right. I was just wondering. Could you do me a favour? Hey. How you doing?
You're lucky I live so close, you know.
Thanks.
You know, I didn't think that you would take what I said so seriously. Why are you asking for this all of a sudden?
I don't know. I'm just trying this whole religion thing out.
All right. Well, I actually have a job, so I need to go. Hope this helps.
Cool. Thanks.
Oh my God.
According to Ecclesiastes chapter 7 verse 1, a good name is better than a precious ointment, and the day of death than the day of one's birth. So what this is saying here is that we shouldn't commemorate Jesus Christ's birthday, but his death. So remember, no Christmases and no birthdays either.
Hi. Yes, yeah, it's Noel. Hi. Really? Thank you so much. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I'll do my absolute best to meet your expectations. Yeah. Yeah, okay. And when does that start? Hi, yes, it's Noel. Yes, yeah. No, about that. Actually, I've got a bit of bad news.